Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody contacted me off my one of my YouTube videos asking where they hid the effects that are under bitmap: 3D effect, artist strokes, blur, camera, custom, distort, and you've got to have something clicked for them to not be blacked out. But they're all right here. That's in 2018 and below. And his question was, where do they put them in 2019? Well, in 2019, they put them under effects. Kind of makes sense, but they're right here, the same ones. Noise, distortion, texture, camera. These are some pretty neat effects. So they've moved them from bitmap to effects. Kind of makes sense because they had them under, in 18 and below, they had them under bitmap and then they had them under effects. So in 18 and below, they're under bitmap in these same effects. Hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.